Introducing RFIDLinked, the ultimate solution for instant RFID adoption. RFIDLinked offers a revolutionary suite of RFID essentials as an all-in-one, easy-to-use application. With RFIDLinked, you can say goodbye to the guesswork, thousands of hours, and endless investment associated with self-developing RFID solutions. Save your money and use the real thing that's ready to go at a fraction of the cost with unlimited access to ongoing updates and development. Our RFID Essentials utility includes all access to a comprehensive RFID feature set tailored to real-world applications. Capture RFID data with handheld scanners and feed it directly into your business systems, allowing your company to fully grow and scale RFID technology. From API access to integration with existing systems and cloud-managed tag serialization for retail compliance, to tag printing with UPC and EPC auto-conversion, serialization and sharing, to fixed mount reading, RFIDLinked has you covered. So upgrade your RFID game with RFIDLinked. The future of RFID technology is here. Get started today and easily revolutionize your business with RFIDLinked.